Mid-mid!
There you go. The time, 1:53. That's going to be a chase. Lane 5 already moving forward. Lane 4 and lane 1. Also making sure he keeps the guys on the outside. They want to be walking that inside lane. The battle is on. The time is 1:53 in order to qualify. Anything less than that, boys in heat number 3. If you don't go to 1:53, 1:54, sub 2 minutes, you will not see that final. Here we go. Heat number 2. All they come in is sub 40. Sub 60 seconds. Hashtag the moment. Cruiser 2019-50 the ASA Championship. The bell goes down. Haven't sold that in from a holding the lead. The track and the space and also moving forward. And well under the 60-second mark. England Duplessis stop powering forward. Kamal Bukoni from the KwaZulu-Natal. Zola Soka. All the time now, 1:37, 1:38. The time duty just 1:54. And there's a stepping in the pace, and the guys are now checking who's going to be chasing it. Will they be qualified? There's a battle in the third position. Oh, the man from the KZN will be running away with it. This is the times to be 1:54, 55, 56.